You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised. It happens every time. It's nothing new.
Tagal ko na yun siya pinag-pray actually. Very excited. Very excited, very excited. And finally, after how many years, natuloy na yun. Nakakita lang ako ng the one ba.
I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, cause watching you is all that I can do.
Kapiti ninyo!
I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless.
Dati, magkakilala na yan sila ng parents ko. No? Ngayon, hindi ko pa siya masyado pinapansin dati kasi during that time, meron pa akong goal sa life ba.
To tell you honest, dinahiya po talaga ako na sabihin to. Pero ako po yung una na-initiate ng chat kasi po din sa pressure from friends.
Pero mas pogi talaga ako.
It started with a prayer and a dream. Kasi nag-pray ako, sabi ko kay Joe Bagad, ikaw naman yung nakakaalam kung sino yung babae yung magpapasaya sa puso ko. So, bigay mo sa akin yung checklist. Ano ba yung hahanapin ko sa babae?
Nag-pray po ako kay Jehovah God kasi parang yung pressure ba sa paligid.
Pero sinabi ko rin sa prayer ko na, Jehovah God, kahit hayaan mo na ako maghanap para ma-experience ko naman mag-date. Pila ka years na, December 2022, lumipat pa kami sa Dumaguete, wala pa rin.
Noon, hindi ko in-expect na siya pala yung binigay ni Jehovah sa akin. Kasi yung dinasal ko is that yung qualities ba. Pero unexpectedly, si Adrian po pala yung binigay sa akin.
After a few months, parang parang napagod na ako. Sabi ko, Jehovah God, ikaw na lang bahala, suko na ako. Total, ikaw naman nakakaalam kung sino yung bibigay mo sa akin. Ikaw na bahala kung kailan mo siya ibibigay sa akin. Then within that same week, nagka-usap ni Flor.
It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind. Cause when you look at me with those eyes.
First meet up, kinabahan ako. Nagtatanong ako if magugustuhan niya ba ako. If, like, yung impression niya sa akin. If, okay lang ba ako for him.
Instantly, parang mayroong konting attraction ba? Kasi mabait naman yung mukha. Maganda. So, okay.
I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness.
Tapos nung kinilala ko siya, doon na-confirm ko na talaga na ano talaga siya. I will be in good hands, ma'am.
Super duper blessed. As in, super duper blessed. Kasi with Adrian, hindi ako nahihirapan.
Sa lahat ng babaeng nakilala ko, sa kanya talaga ako masasabing pinakamasaya.
He is the one because he was the man I prayed for.
Alam mo yung mahirap i-express na siya na talaga yun. Kaya nung nasabi lang ng puso ko na siya na yun, siya na yun.
From the start of the wedding, on and on forward, it has to be lasting union. Love must be there. The husband and wife should love each other.
This is that right place in that right time. Standing on the front lines.
Weddings are not just joyful occasions. It is a sacred and loving arrangement from Jehovah God Himself.
Proposal, actually, natatawa ako dun sa proposal namin kasi sabi niya, Mal, i-date kita kasama yung family mo. Tapos hindi ko ipapaalam.
Ay, ito grabe. Ito yung mahirap. Kasi gusto ko ma-surprise na iyakin mo ko sa proposal, mag-invite ka mag-propose ka sa akin. Sabi ko, paano ko naman gagawin yun? Expected na naman natin na magpapakasal din naman tayo.
Tapos unexpectedly, nag-propose siya sa akin dun sa may resort ba sa Darwin.
Tapos tinuturo-turo ko sa kanya, Mal, ano yun, yung island na yun. Ang casual talk lang ba? Tapos, nung habang nakatalikod na siya, doon na ako lumuhod. Tapos nagulat na siya. Tapos doon, iyak siya. Tapos, na-overwhelmed with emotion, sabi ko. So, sabi ko, okay, iyak, check, surprise, check, masaya, check, okay na. Oh, yes na to, ha?
This is that right place in that right time. Standing on the front lines. This is our fire, still burning. Every ember burning. And it's only just
Si Adrian, actually, wala na akong ibang mahihiling pa kasi nasa kanya.
Wala akong masabi. Maalagain. Yes. Yung pagdating sa mga nung nagkasakit ako, pina-appreciate ko yun. Sabi ko, tama nga talaga. Masarap talaga mag-alaga to.
Very, very gentle. Like, malambing kasi si Adrian. Like, mahal. Parang ganyan ba? Super lambing niya na tao. So, wala na akong ibang maihiling pa.
Wala naman. Hindi talaga kami nag-aaway. As in, hindi kami nag-aaway.
Siguro comfortable na ako sa side niya siguro. So, parang nakuha ko din yung pagiging introvert along the way.
Minsan nga sasabihin ko sa kanya, ano ba naman tayo? Yung iba nag-aaway, tayo hindi. Mag-isip nga tayo ng kahit small topic lang, awayin kita konti, kahit kunwari about sa pagkain, about sa weather, kahit di mo kasalanan, awayin kita. Para masabing nag-aaway lang.
this is that right place in that right time. Standing on the front lines. This is our fire, still burning.
Mahal, masayang-masaya ako, nakilala kita. I'm very blessed kasi alam ko I'm in good hands.
Mahal, ikaw talaga yung best na bagay na nangyari sa buhay ko. As in, I'm super blessed and happy to meet you.
I promise you na magiging masaya ka talaga sa relationship natin. Yes, there will be ups and downs kasi hindi naman perfect. Pero I will promise you that I will provide everything that we need.
From Christmas days was sleeping, now I'm wide awake.
Do you, Adrian Greno? Do you, Florida Duran? In the presence of Jehovah God and these witnesses, take Florida Duran to be your wedded wife. Take Adrian Greno to be your wedded husband, to love and to cherish and deeply respect in accordance with the divine law for as long as you both may live.
I do.
I do. pinapangako ko sa iyo na alagaan kita habang buhay at mamahalin kita habang buhay.
I will really try my best to make you happy. Pag nag-asawa na tayo. Kaya I love you very much. Thank you.
And I love you so much.